Insurance rates going through the roof? You're not alone. In today's episode of Beyond the Closing, Cathy Herman reveals why the insurance market is tougher than ever and what you can do about it. Stick around because this episode is packed with tips that could save you money and stress in the long run. You'll want to know this.
Everyone that has insurance now has seen anywhere between 10 and 40% rate increases. That just means that the insurance is in a hard market right now. It's been that way probably over a year now. And that's because there's a lot of restrictions happening with a lot of these carriers. There's a lot of carriers pausing doing businesses in certain areas, in certain states.
Is that because of all the like weather conditions and all the storms, crazy storms that we're getting? And
so a lot of it has to do with the catastrophic storms that are happening across the U.S. It's nonstop, and they're getting worse and worse and worse, and they're getting closer together. So every insurance company has catastrophic budgets that are getting depleted. You have, and that doesn't, take in consideration your everyday, like house fires or water damage or things like that. The cost of materials have increased. The houses are built like they used to be. So somebody explained to me, which I was like, oh my God. So if you find an older house, you have the wood that can take water, that can take a lot of the elements that are happening, and that has been there, like the framework of the houses. Now, it's not built like that. It's built with the cheaper materials. So when water or something gets into or something happens, it's done. It's done. It's done. Oh, wow. So now instead of a smaller portion of a home having to get fixed, you have half of a house that has to get rebuilt because of it. So it's a total different ballgame than it used to be, and the insurance companies are adjusting for that. The technology in the cars. Yes, oh my God, they're going to stop us from getting into car accidents. Well, now, instead of paying $300 for a bumper, guess where all the technology is? In the bumper. Windshields. It used to be what? $300 to replace a windshield?
Now it's,
Now you have all those fancy monitorings, collision.
GPS is all in there.
That's all built into the windshields.
Wow.
So
we don't think about that,
No, you don't.
Yeah, we don't think about that.